Alright, so I'll be comparing the top features of the Doogee V20S, Doogee's latest rugged phone. The device isn't even out yet, but I'll be comparing its top features with the V20 Pro just to point out the differences and similarities between the two rugged phones. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications, give this video a thumbs up. So without further ado, let's dig in. So there we go, guys, the V20S versus the V20 Pro. Which of the two phones do you think has the specs you prefer? Feel free to share in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.